In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos to your cookbook. Let's start with where you can upload photos. All of your photos will be uploaded to your photo gallery. You can access your photo gallery through any page in your cookbook where a photo is required or allowed. Those pages include your cover, title page, section dividers, and any recipe or story pages using a layout that includes a space for a photo. Once you flip to any of those pages, click the Edit button nearest the page. Then go to the Picture tab. To upload a photo, click Add Photos, then choose either Computer or Facebook. Facebook will take you to Facebook where you can log in and choose from the photos on your account to add to your cookbook. Computer will bring up the folders on your computer where you can then select the photos you wish to upload. Once you've added a photo, check its name. If you'd like to rename it, click the name, type the new name, then click the blue check mark to save. To search for a photo in your gallery, utilize the search bar. Type in the name of your photo. Any photos in your gallery that match that name will appear along with suggested photos from our stock photography gallery. Photos that have been contributed to your project from others will also be available in your photo gallery. Scroll to the bottom to find them. To place the photo on your page, select the photo. It will be highlighted with an orange outline. Go to Design to make sure that this fits the proper specs for that page, and then click Save.